Welcome to the installation guidance of YB Toner. Today I will guide you how to replace HP 962 ink. Firstly, unpack the new ink cartridges and tear off the yellow sealing tap. Then, prepare your printer plugged in. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Next, open the front gate of the printer. Wait for the cartridges to the middle of the printer. Press the used ink cartridges now, and they will pop out. And then, place the new ink cartridges into the corresponding color slot until you hear a click. Finally, close up the front gate.